Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated steps to delete the cover image on the X app. Whether you're looking to refresh your profile or simply remove the header, this guide will make it quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your device. Once the app is loaded, navigate to your profile by tapping your profile picture located in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your personal profile page. Next, look for the Edit Profile button and tap on it. This option allows you to make changes to your profile settings, including your cover photo. Now tap on the Cover section. This is where your current header image is displayed. You'll see options to modify or remove it. To delete the cover image, select Remove Header. Confirm your choice, and save the changes by tapping the Save button. That's it. Your profile will now appear without a header image. And there you have it. Your cover photo is successfully removed from your X profile. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy-to-follow tech tips. Thanks for watching.